Hello, my name is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and today we're going to look through another Rosie Daykin cookbook. She's known for her butter bakery amazing cookbooks. This one is Let Me Feed You. Everyday recipe offerings and the comfort of home. Everyday recipes offering the comfort of home. Okay. This book belongs to a natural-born feeder on the kitchen counter, to someone with impeccable taste in the Smithsonian, or to someone with the coolest friends. That's cute. When did this come out? Appetite. Ooh, it's starting off very nicely with a gorgeous photo. 2019. Okay. Here are the chapters. Table of contents. Chapter 1, most important meal of the day, breakfast. Chapter 2, I'll have a chicken salad sandwich. Hold the chicken salad, bread, etc. Chapter 3, there's no such thing as a free lunch. Sandwiches. Chapter 4, liquid lunch. Oh, and she means soups, not cocktails. Shoot. Chapter 5, green with envy. Salads. Chapter 6, just be home in time for dinner. Chapter 7, a little action on the side, vegetables, etc. Chapter 8, the saucy bits, condiments, etc. Chapter 9, for your dessert compartment, dessert. I like her sense of humor. That's cute. Here's the introduction. Here she is in her kitchen, or at least her studio kitchen. A moment to take stock. Many cookbooks start off with that. How to do your pantry. Basic bits to get the job done, just in case you need them. We don't. We're experienced cooks, right? Let's take a peek at the breakfast chapter. Strawberry rhubarb compote. Stunning photography. Tells you how much it makes. Here's apple almond double baked croissants with step-by-step photos. I love those. Thank you for that. It says it makes 6 croissants. Okay, if I'm going to that much work, I'm quadrupling the recipe and making 24 because that's a lot of work. Party scones, the ultimate birthday breakfast treat. Clever. That's unusual. Okay. Lemon thyme pancakes with blackberry syrup. I'm personally a biscuit girl because I'm tired in the morning. I am not a morning person. Cinnamon donut muffins. Okay. We're getting a feel for that. Confessions of a dish addict. I am a dish addict too. I have a garage full of extra dishes. Here's the bread chapter. Let's take a look. Focaccia with a salty top. Yum. Whenever I make focaccia, it turns out delicious but doesn't look like focaccia. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'll have to try this one. Real English muffins. I'd love to make my own English muffins. Cheesy cornbread. You mean I can't just use a Krusty's box? Okay. And here's homemade croissants. Step-by-step photos. Love it. I'm really impressed by this book so far. Fluffy, flaky biscuits. That would be my dream, to be able to make those from scratch without looking at a recipe someday. Cheddar cheese crackers. Now we're in, house rules. Little sidebar there. Now we're in the sandwich lunch chapter. Ooh, whipped ricotta with figs, hazelnut, and honey. This is gorgeous. Butters, avocado toast. Classic egg salad sandwich. Yum. And a picture of her in her kitchen. That's nice. Okay. Tuna and potato chip sandwich. You've all been there, right? Tomato, olive, and Asiago broil sandwich. These are clever. Sandwich hacks, when leftovers become bestovers. Now we're in the soup chapter. I can't wait to see what she's doing. Chicken stock. Okay. Green soup. Good luck getting your kids to eat that, but I will. Roasted cauliflower soup with bacon, or in my case, bacon. Noodle chicken soup. Nice. Parsnip, pear, and blue cheese soup. That sounds incredible. Lox and bagel soup. Cute. Italian sausage sauce soup. Good for Sunday dinner. 13 useless facts you might not know about me, she wrote. Green with envy, salad chapter. Okay, we know what salads are. Ooh, old school potato salad. Look at all that dill on there. Can you see that? Love it. If summer were a salad, you need a mandolin for those. Look how thinly sliced those radishes or beets are. French lentils and fennel salad. I like making French style salads. Broccoli ricotta hazelnut salad. Clubhouse chopped salad. Now I think we're into dinner. I think I skipped a chapter. Suddenly we're doing quiches. And lots of quiches. And an iron skillet halibut. We're definitely in dinner. Turkey chili. Fried chicken for impatient people like me. Does it involve an Instant Pot? One pot chicken parm, beef stew with dumplings. Mm-hmm. And lasagna for Paul, whoever Paul is, I'm assuming her husband. Pineapple honey ribs. Wow. Okay. Let's get, here's a chapter on senior dogs. I have 2 senior dogs too. Now we're in the vegetables and sides. Can't wait to see what she does. Tomato casserole. That is the first thing I would make out of this cookbook if I were to cook today, which I'm not going to. Roasted veg. That kind of looks gross, but I bet it tastes good. It's hard to photograph brown, mushy mushrooms nicely. Honey carrots with spice and yogurt. I've seen that in a lot of cookbooks lately. Corn pudding. Everybody has a slight variation on corn pudding recipe. I'm looking forward to checking it out. Risotto cakes. That's a good way to change up risotto. As a vegetarian, I get served a lot of risotto in restaurants. Now, we're in sauces. Lemon aioli, make your own. We don't need pictures of sauces. Let's move on. Here is the dessert. Oh, look, there's not very much left. Oh, no, not a lot of dessert. Woo! If Friday were cake. Okay, that's gorgeous. Love it. That looks super fun. Pink grapefruit cupcakes. That looks nice. That would be great for a little spring or summer party. Creme fraiche bundt cake. Rhubarb upside down cake. I'm not a rhubarb fan, but you might be. And okay, I'm not going to let you see the other desserts because you have to get your own cookbook. That was Let Me Feed You by Rosie Daykin. This is very impressive. I think it's the cookbook I've enjoyed looking through the most entirely in the month of June. I might have to buy one. You can see more of our cookbook look-throughs, reviews, and previews at Cookbook Divas on our blog, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and occasionally Pinterest. Thanks so much for watching.